One second. All right, guys, welcome to a new forecast or pre-market analysis, actually. I know I'm still very inactive. It is what it is. I'm active, but not on the trading side. Yeah. Anyway, let's dive into the charts because I want to still be up to date with the charts every week, every day, actually. I want to know what's going on. I want to know why things are happening. And yeah. This is actually good. So we have previous daily, previous weekly highs, previous weekly lows. I can take that off. All right, if we just look at these charts, we know where we are. We're inside below old lows. We broke bearish. I don't know why it's not visible there. Broke bearish. We have this bearish range, but we can see that price is getting stronger. Hold up, I really 1 second. No, okay, never mind. It's not important right now. So first of all, what we can see is that we have equals up here. We have this bearish leg, but we knew that or know that price came back into discounted pricing, just tapped into that demand zone. And after it tapped into the demand zone, it gave us turnaround, as you can see in the lower time frames. You see bullish break. Price actually never returned to discount pricing. Went to the upside, so we can take all that off. And I don't think this range will actually hold, but we will see. But what we can see is that price had quite some momentum to the upside. Quite correction on the way down here, then impulsive up here. And now we tapped into this supply zone. But I don't think that will hold actually. So what are we looking at? Hold up. Previous daily highs up here. So we don't have many trading days left in 2023. That's the 18th. It's almost Christmas. Christmas markets close early. There's low volume. Everything's just slow. So yeah, there's just not much going on. That's there's still the same news as always, but just nothing there. Let's just do it top down. So we look at structures. We got this bearish structure. We got more minor to that, but more valid, I think, is this internal structure, which is, and I think this structure will hold is because this was so correctional, this move. And here, the impulse of price behavior started to, how do you say it? I don't know how to say it, like kick in. Oh, that's the right word. So the impulsive price behavior started to kick in. Now here it's a little bit correctional, but just because it's the end of the year, it's like it's gonna slow down. It's gonna range. There's not a lot of volume, not many institutions or banks are active right now, or they're taking big orders because they're all waiting for the new year. So yeah, my bias based on structure is bullish, although this one is bearish. I think this will be taken out. Then on the high time frame, we will potentially tap back into this key level or even come above. And then from here, potentially either move to the downside. Although I think dollar is weak as hell, so we might just continue further to the upside. If we continue to the upside, we don't tap into this discount area. You did take liquidity. Oh, sorry. We did take liquidity over there. Move from there, get up here, and then either break to the downside. But if we get to the monthly, even you can see like, okay, we tapped into some sort of support and resistance zone, really. See here, here we tapped in, here we tapped in. I don't know how far this chart goes back though. Yeah, here, over here as well. So kind of support and resistance area where we reacted from, not the biggest one, because the biggest one is up here, I think, around this area. So we could get back into that zone, that area. Bit of tricky one though, what the exact level is. And then either move from there or even move up here because we got those high time frame equals here up here as well. Just interesting to see 2018. Where's 2015 where we had the little crisis here? I don't know. I don't know what will happen in the long term. I don't need to know. That's the whole thing. But I do kind of do want to know. But I can't base it purely on technicals. It requires a lot of fundamental knowledge to know what will happen next, what will go on, what's going on, what will happen in the future. This is a nice key level though. 115. 115. Yeah, not really sure. Like ideally, I want to see price come further down, better for my business. Higher euro prices, lower dollar prices. But in the long term, in the short term, I see these equals here. I think you will get up there 100%. Look at this impulse. This is correctional. This impulsive. There's not much liquidity. If anything, we took the last bit of liquidity. We tapped into this order block, and that's really it. We now have equals up here. So those equals will be taken out 100%. Or at least that's what I'm looking at. And from there, we'll move further to the upside. I will keep this range on for now, but I don't think it will hold. And that's really it for EU actually. Like price behavior wise, look at those daily candles. Now the Friday candle was a turnaround, but then this is Monday. What is this? There's no movement, it's dead. So I think that when Tuesday, Wednesday volume kicks in, we move further to the upside. Hold up to do that as well. We will move further to the upside and get up there. And I think this high level will be taken out. Then gotta look at DXY. Gotta look at DXY though, because DXY tapped in here, took that liquidity. Then we turned bearish. I said we might come up here, but we didn't. We took this internal range liquidity. Actually, did we? No way. Okay, we actually didn't even take out those equals. We did take out this. As you can see, look at this. First of all, this liquidity sits on a support and resistance area. right there. But what you can see is that after we came below that liquidity, we got that little behavior there, little kind of inducement, like, okay, we're below here. Now we give those buyers a bullish signal or a bullish pattern, whatever behavior. Just a little impulse to trick them out, negative further to the downside. And that's actually a 4-hour candle. So people think, all right, we're gonna turn around here. That's taken out. We continue further to the downside. This is nice how we took that internal range liquidity. Then we move further down. And now we slowly get in here. We have this pull. And now we just wait and see what happens. Like, I want to see EU up here, or TXY up here, and EU down there. But the question is, what will happen? Looking at price behavior right now, I don't know. But the quarter is almost over, so we might get a quarterly shift and just completely turn around. But we don't know yet, so just gotta wait for that. Yeah, already kind of covered high time candles. As I said, that inducement candle there is quite important. This is just slow down, building up further liquidity to downside. This is all slow, slow, slow. Monday was slow today. And yeah. Yeah, it's really, really, really ugly. It's really ugly. Let me check actually if this. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this, although it's gonna happen. We have nice clean structure to work with right now. So see a lot of liquidity pulls. Here's a little pull here. We got a little pull, then we have a little pull up here. This one, not really. We got that open gap there. I don't know why I deleted that. Means this just like a staring session. Just staring at the charts. Just think what you see what you think. I don't know. I really don't know. Like, we're also in a deep discount here, which could mean that we gonna move up to the answer. But look at these are impulsive candles. These are impulsive candles. Where on the way up here do we have only here? And that's not even it. Look at that. Look at that. Like, option high. Flip it. Or even better. Watch this. Like, it's still not impressing. It's not still not impressive. It's just these are big candles. So this is like telling me that we want to go down further. So we're gonna move further to the downside. Look at that. That candle is twice the biggest candle there. That's a huge candle, actually. Damn. Here's just nothing. So I don't know. Like, I want to see price come higher, but I don't know. So equals here now. You got liquidity up here. Could get maybe a fake. Take out this liquidity and then move to the downside. And then we could get the move to the upside. Tap into here, get a fake reaction, then get above here, and then get to the downside. Just, I don't know. I don't know. There's really high time frame focus. The reason I'm that much focused on the high time frame is because it's the end of the month. I'm not even bothered. Well, I wasn't bothered a couple of the last few months, but I'm still not bothered to open a trade. Although I really want to trade, but now it's not the moment, now it's not the time. So mm, yeah, it's just I don't know. Well, I do know, like, but I wouldn't be able to tell you where to trade from right now. Today's over. We still have Asia lows intact. We still got just today's death. We need a move and it's off. So yeah, I'm not even bothered. This will be probably pre. This will be previous daily lows. Actually, I can just keep it here because we will make equals with that one, and I won't buy until this one is taken out, so we can just keep it there. Yeah, it's a bit of a messy debt forecast, just like this entire market right now. Got the equals there, so that's my target right now, but it's just slow. Maybe tomorrow we just get a random impulse. I might even just leave this channel until January, until January, because yeah. Yeah, anyway, guys, I'm cutting it short here. I'm not bothered. I think we all should just come back in January and get back into trading because now is not the right time to trade. Now it's time for rest. Well, not trading, just do other basic stuff or something and get back later on. So yeah, peace out. Catch you guys. Maybe I'll do pre-market analysis tomorrow. I don't know yet. And then see you there. Peace out.